Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a purple car. So let's start to draw. At first we will draw the car wheel. Yes, like that. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Drawing is so easy. You just need to do practice and practice. Then you are also will be an artist. Yes, like that. Follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Like that. We are almost done. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Now it's time to learn the color's name. Purple color, orange color, yellow color, gray color, black color, sky blue color. At first we are using the sky blue color. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.